Meet Pillo, the world's first intelligent home robot designed to keep you healthy. He's the perfect healthcare companion, keeping you and your medications on track. And he's totally connected for true peace of mind. He's a workout partner, your very own health coach, an at-home doctor's visit, and the product of years of hard work by our team of experts, and soon can be the newest member of your family.
Hey, Jibo. What's up?
Hey, Aaron. Not much. Just watching the world turn.
Hey, Jibo. How about a joke?
Okay. What did the Earth say to the other planets? You guys have no life.
I'll remember that.
Meet Jibo. He looks, listens, and learns.
For so long, technology has been held back by one important thing: emotion. That's why we created Olly, the first robot assistant with an evolving personality.
And a deep breath outwards. Let the stress fall away. Megan, I would suggest raising the temperature by 10 degrees. Hot yoga can increase weight loss and build muscle tone.
Let's do it.
Not a problem at all.
Olly is proactive, meaning it anticipates your needs.
Just a thought, Megan. Shall I set the mood with some jazz while you read?
Yeah.
Music through Olly sounds amazing too, because it knows where you are in the room. It can best direct the audio to your liking, no matter the track and no matter the mood. Our AI system and character engine creates a unique personality for every Olly. That means each one will relate to you in a distinctive way.
Go. 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 One more, Kevin, and you hit your target for the day. Well done.
Good morning, Angela. It's time to wake up.
I'm up.
Hey, Ryan. Long day?
Long week.
I think a bit of air guitar therapy might do the trick.